years. She has had a lot of trouble with her eyesight. She could not see far at all. Her eyesight is restored. Right here I have Anushka with me. She came to Revival Church International for the first time last week when you located her, my Father, and that time she had been suffering with being unable to see for long distances, and she was wearing glasses for 6 years, my Father. But after you ministered to her last week, my Father, her sight was completely restored. She says up until today she has not worn her glasses. Her glasses are just laying there in the house. She has not been using them since last week, and she gives God all the glory today.
Lady, what do you say about this miracle? 6 years you use glasses. What do you say, mothers?
It's a big miracle because when I took my glasses off, I couldn't see anything,
Yeah.
and now I can see.
You see?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah.